Okay, it's Easter weekend and we're at Caernarfon Castle.
I believe so.
Right now Storm Dave is occurring. It's just a bit blustery today, so apologies if you can't hear me. No rain yet, luckily. So we're going to go in there. Never been to Caernarfon Castle before.
It's paid for every
Yeah, I know. Why are you saying that? I know you have to pay to get in, of course you do.
Well, not in Penryn.
It's an imposing facade, isn't it? Alright, let's go inside. So we've got a map.
Don't want to commit to the cause, that's fair enough, mate.
Where should we go first? Which direction? So we're going to go this way. This castle's right on the edge of the Menai Strait. This castle's been around for, well, just waiting for the wind to stop blowing there so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Yeah, it was, again, it's windy. Castle coffee, okay. So now I know that. Let's go inside. This is the Eagle Tower.
Well, you might need to double check that, guys. No, these two
As you
here.
can see, it's very packed.
Yeah, very busy. Excuse me. Thank you. Cheers. Wow, it's very busy. So we're going to go up the Eagle Tower in a minute. It's just a bit chocker on the steps. And we need to watch the steps as well because it's been raining. So they're going to be really slippery and dangerous. I just found this little nook in the side of the wall. And it just leads to this window here, where you can see the Menai Strait out there. Nice view. This is Richard I, apparently. King of England between 1189 to 99, a famous crusader. He was mostly interested in wars in the Holy Land and preserving his land in France. Welsh princes had space to pursue their independent aims. This one's Henry II. That's this guy. Edward I. Hi.
How do you think Edward I would have reacted to that greeting?
Pardon?
How do you think Edward I would have reacted to that greeting?
Off with your head. No, they probably would have thought it was, I don't know, witchery or something. They probably would have chopped the head off. Who knows?
You said it would be important, so why slowly do the camera?
So I think we're going to head over to this east wing or whatever. Go and have a walk around the ramparts, on the ramparts, or go up another tower and just pretty much just have a look around. And look, if you really wanted to, you could climb up. You could use these as steps and climb up this wall. Look. You just wouldn't though, would you? Granary Tower, that one. That's what it's called, Granary Tower. This looks promising over here, look at this. Looks like it's got some really nice views. Let's go and have a look at that. Yeah, you really just wouldn't climb up this wall, would you? I wouldn't anyway. Yeah, the views through this archway here look promising. Well, it's pretty much where we came from. The fish and chips down there to the left, the square. Yeah, I was expecting more of the straights really. We can see a little bit of it over there. In the distance you can see hills over there. Oh no, this is the square and that's the chip shop over there where we came from, Nemo's. And it's starting to rain. The weather's starting to get increasingly crap. It's mega windy and it's raining now. Okay, the wind has just stopped momentarily, but it will start back up again. Should we go in that door over there? Go up to the rampart and walk around? Okay, we'll go over there then. We'll access this tower over here. I don't know what it's called. Northeast Tower. I can't pronounce that word, those words there, they're in Welsh. Tora Coglef Dwrain. Is that right?
Yeah, I think that was like 70%.
70% is pretty good, sorry, not bad. Yeah. It's a lot of steps.
Many more up there.
A lot of steps.
Okay. Really long Simon. That way.
Wow, so windy. These steps are crazy steep. Made it. I've lost boy out here. Okay, it was actually harder to come down the stairs. Can we see Boyo out here? No. It's still raining as well. Where are you? Hello? What? Yeah, where are you? At the top of the tower? Okay, well I'm going to meet you out in the middle. And I'll finish the video up as well. Okay? See you in a minute. Bye. Okay folks, you just heard that. I hope you enjoyed this castle video. I like to do castle videos every once in a while. So yeah, tune in for my next video. I don't know when that will be, but fairly soon. I'm just busy right now. Yeah, so I'm going to knock a few videos out soon though. Alright, see you again soon, bye.